Visayas and Mindanao. The number of reported casualties as well as damage to farmlands from severe tropical storm Maring has swelled, government officials reported few weeks ago. According to the latest government report, the damage cost of Maring to farms in 8 regions is nearing 2 billion pesos with over 60,000 farmers affected. Meanwhile, Filipinos who were affected by the tropical storm Maring in northern Luzon were able to feel the love and care of fellow Filipinos through the immediate relief operations of some foundation here in our country. Bagyong Maring crippled the livelihood of thousands of families and their domesticated animals like goats and chickens, as well as their crops got washed away by the floods brought by the storm. It aims to encourage gratitude and generosity among Filipinos this Christmas season by offering friends and loved ones gifts in the form of donations for the benefit of various programs and foundations. For the latest news and update, this is Aliyah Suarez reporting for News Republic.